I'm having a drugs party tonight, but it does not involve any contraband. So there are these bunch of guys on the internet selling these things called audio drugs that promise to give you the same high that a recreational drug would give you. So I went online and did a bit of research, and it seems that idozer.com is the most popular of these platforms. I've got myself a pack of these drugs, and it promises to give me the same high that a marijuana, cocaine, opium, etc. would give. So I've invited my colleagues Jaydevan and Pranav here to join me for this party. We are going to try out these drugs and see if it gets us high. One of the reasons why I'm not doing this alone is because of the fact that these drugs come with a disclaimer that the drug may not have the same effect on every individual. So we're going to try these drugs, hopefully get high and have fun in the process. So let's get this party on the road. I tried the marijuana dose. I'm not sure if I'm high, but I do feel a slight buzz in the head. Something very akin to what a light beer, a pint of beer would give you. It was calming, the audio track. It had a lot of water sounds, stuff that most of these meditation tracks on YouTube would give you for free.
I don't know, it's totally not high. I could really do with some coffee because I almost slept off in between. So I'm sounding a little bored because I am bored. 15 minutes is too much to waste on this junk.
It was like a meditation session. I'm not high. I mean, I've never done marijuana, so I don't know what that high feels like. But I'm not buzzed, I'm not feeling anything. I'm just hot and sleepy, that's it.
Tried the cocaine dose, not high at all. It's again like one of those meditational audio tracks that you get on YouTube and stuff. Calming, soothing, yes, but high, no.
So the cocaine was like worse than the marijuana. I don't know what the point of it was. It sounded like a song that was about to start, but for 15 minutes it never started and I was getting impatient and irritated.
Okay, so this was boring again, like seriously boring. And the music is not even nice, it's really annoying. Doesn't get you high. You might even end up with a headache.
So that was one party that did not go so well. None of us got high. We ended up spending about $13, which is about $1,000. I would say save that money, go buy yourself some beer or something. If you're looking for a high, this is definitely not it. So for $13, we got a pack of 4 audio files. We tried out 2. The other 2 were Opium and Peyote, which we didn't bother trying because the first 2 audio files really didn't do anything for us except for, like all of us said, it's just calming music for some, for others it's just jarring noise. So it's a big thumbs down. I don't think it works.